Boost Walmart sales by enabling 2-day shipping. I'll show you how to do it in today's video. Okay, so you can enable 2-day shipping just by changing all of your listings to Walmart fulfillment. But one of the other ways is if you're doing self-fulfillment is going to be going into the settings. So you're going to click that settings button. Then you're going to go into shipping templates. So let's go back. So we're clicking on shipping templates right here, and then you're going to see your current template. But what you're going to do is click create shipping template, right? Manual shipping settings. And then this is where you can change all the shipping settings. So we got value right here, which is the slowest, and you can reduce the time, the transit time, so that way it shows up. Then we have standard, which is even faster. So we can change the transit time to 3 days. This is going to help boost, make sure this is turned on, right? This is a buy box boost, you can see. And now we have 2-day. So 2-day, you do have to request access. So all you have to do is just request access. And what they're going to do is make sure that you have some orders on value and standard and you've been doing a good job, right? So make sure you've been doing a good job and you've already been selling on value and standard, and then they'll give you access to 2-day, right? So you can click, then you can create your own little shipping rule for this. And then they'll also give you access to 1-day shipping, which will significantly increase your sales. If you don't get approved, don't worry, there is another way, right? And that's going to be either converting your listings to WFS, right? You can look at that, or you can just type in on Google shipping methods expedited Walmart, and there's a guide right here, and it tells you exactly how do you meet the standards to get eligible for 2-day shipping, right? So you need to have your on-time shipping time at least 95%, on-time delivery 95%, valid tracking rate 95%, and pretty much a 1.5% cancellation rate. Now you can get automatically approved for this program if you use either Deliverr or ShipBob. If you can't fulfill your items within 1 or 2 business days, or you don't meet the requirements of the seller managed options, you can use Deliverr or ShipBob and you automatically get approved, right? So again, if you can just utilize Deliverr or ShipBob, that's a third-party service. They can do the shipping for you and then you're automatically approved. To get started, sign up with Deliverr or ShipBob and connect your seller account, and bada bing, bada boom, then you're approved for that expedited 2-day or 1-day shipping, which will significantly increase sales. At this point though, I still recommend you just do Walmart WFS, because that's going to automatically give you 2-day shipping. It's going to reduce returns and all that good stuff. But if you are set on shipping it yourself, at least you know how to get it, how to get access, and some other options if you aren't approved, how you can use Deliverr and ShipBob to automatically get approved for expedited shipping. That's it for today's video. Want more Walmart videos? Tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.